We shall take a detour of the sample apartment in Astor Garden, a low-rise development in a township by BPTP today. Have a look at the front elevation. This is of a 4 BHK unit on a plot area of 350 square yards. These are row houses which has got 3 floors. Basement ground, first and second, with terrace rights shared between first and second floor owners and 1 car parking space given for all units. This entire outer facade is done in stone cladding. Have a look. Now that's the main entrance. As we enter the main gate, we have got security systems from Godrej with video door phone facility inbuilt. That's all done in wood. Look at the ambience. Now moving on to the first floor of the apartment. All these staircases, they're all done in marble. Have a look. Now the best part is the privacy factor, which has been considered, as there is only one apartment to a core. Means there is no apartment overlooking your apartment. That's for the ventilation. We are moving on to the first floor. So this is the only unit. We have got stairways in front of the apartment. Now that's the main entry. We have entered through a foyer. Now there's French sliding window for light and ventilation in the foyer even. On towards the right is the living area. The space is almost 12 by 15, which is overlooking a 2-side balcony space. Now we have French sliding doors for all day light and ventilation in the unit as well. Now this is 2-side open balconies which has been given in the unit. Now look at the ambience outside. We have more open and green area. This being a low density project with only ground plus 2 accommodations. Even the width of the road is 12 meters. Best part is this is all habitated, as you can see. Residents are there. So we have neighborhood ready for you. This is all again done in stone cladding. Have a look. These are French doors. Now coming back to the apartment. Now this is a complete view of living, foyer and dining. Almost the space of 400 feet. Now this is entirely done in Italian marble, with air conditions 1.5 ton given. That's only for the living. Now moving on to the dining area. This size is 10 by 14. Best part is this is overlooking a kitchen. Now switches, all switches and electric fittings are from Legro. We are in the dining area now, which is overlooking the kitchen. Entrance of the kitchen. Now at the entrance there is a white space of refrigerator which has been given. The size is 10 by 8 here in the kitchen. These are working counters. In fact, 2 working counters has been given. This is all done in granite. You can see. And these are double bowl sinks Entire kitchen has got lot of light and ventilation. Now moving on to the private part of the unit, which are the bedrooms. Now this is the guest bedroom here. That's the first bedroom, which can also be considered as a guest bedroom. Size is 10 by 12. Attached with a balcony. So plus point is, like all bedrooms has got attached balcony. That's the size of the room. Now we are moving on to the washroom area, which is attached with this particular bedroom. CP fittings and sanitary wares are a part of this. That's the shower area. CP fittings are from either Grohe, Gabriet and Joramet. Moving on to the next bedroom. Again the size is 10 by 12 here, and as per the specifications we have given wooden flooring and air condition 1.5 ton has been given. Now that's the washroom attached. Again CP fittings, sanitary wares, shower area has been given. Brand used is Grohe. Now that's the balcony. Now it is a common balcony of 16 by 4. The measurement is almost 16 feet. Now this is 16 feet. Where's 4? Now look at the ambience. How calm and serene this is. So that's the best part of Astor Garden. You have only 16 units per acre. Low density. That's the third bedroom. Again wooden flooring has been given. Size is 10 by 12. Air conditions are part of the unit. Another good point is ground to ceiling height, which is almost 11 feet. Now that's the master bedroom, where the entry of the master bedroom here. Size is 11 by 16. Again with attached balcony. Wooden flooring given as a part of specification. Air conditions 1.5 ton. French sliding doors for light and ventilation throughout the day. So every small points have been considered in this. Now that's the balcony. You have lot of moving space even after placing a king size bed here. That's the washroom, which is attached with the master bedroom. CP fittings, sanitary wares and shower cubicle, and nice design tiles. A complete ambience in the washroom has also been taken care of. So as a part of this unit, we have given living, foyer, dining, kitchen with 4 bedrooms.